Hello there and welcome to the walk around video of the BMW 430d Grand Coupe X-Drive in Tanzanite Blue here at Your Next Car. So I'll give you a walk around the vehicle whilst I talk you through some of the options and features. Starting of course with the outside of the vehicle, where you'll find we've fitted the Your Next Car Performance Kit, which is fitted all in-house here. On this particular vehicle we've gone for the satin front splitter, the gloss black kidney grills. We've also just fitted the 405M replica 20-inch alloy wheels, which are all brand new with brand new tyres. This 430 Grand Coupe does benefit from having the Angel Light and xenon headlamps, as you can see there in operation. Down the side we've gone for the satin sidebars, side vinyls and M Performance decals. We've got privacy glass. Inside the vehicle we've got the black Dakota leather, which in the front is heated and electrically operated. We've got the Grand Piano black trim on the door cards, dashboard, and then we have the brushed aluminium centre console and dashboard inserts as well. Moving into the rear of the vehicle, where we've got the Isofix ready rear seats, which once again are all nice and clean and tidy, looks like the rest of the vehicle. Moving around to the very rear of the car, where we have the gloss black rear boot spoiler, satin rear diffuser, and of course, as I mentioned at the start of the video, this is an X-Drive model, which is very rare for the 3-litre variant. The Grand Coupes all benefit from having the automatic opening and closing tailgate. Huge boot space on the Grand Coupe, and of course where you'll find your velour floor mats. The Tanzanite Blue is one of the colours that is definitely one to be seen in the flesh, as it doesn't quite show up how nice it is in any pictures or videos. However, I will try my best for you. It's probably the best light that I'll find there. It has a lot of pearl in the paint, so in direct sunlight it will really shine and have a lot of flake and sparkle in the paint. It's one of the colours that suits the Grand Coupe very much so, and especially looks great with the black of the performance kit. In the front there we have the professional wide navigation and media. You will also see your multi-function M Sport steering wheel combined with the 8-speed sport gearbox with paddle shift, which we'll go and have a closer look at in a second. Driver's memory function seat. We have, of course, have 4 electric windows. Climbing on into the driver's seat, where we can have a closer look at the professional wide navigation and media. It is the facelifted navigation and media unit, so we have
navigation is not active.
The newer software, so the better up-to-date iDrive and connected drive with online search field functions, the navigation which you've seen, Bluetooth communications and media, DAB radio of course, and a wide array of multimedia inputs as well. The front heated seats, cruise control function, speed limiter function, voice control, volume control. The vehicle itself is covered just over 53,000. We can also take a look at the full BMW service history that the vehicle has, thanks to the onboard service requirements and service history. As you can see, all the service requirements are in green, and it's not due an engine oil change for 15,000 miles. The front brake pads aren't due until 18,000 miles. Going into the service history, we can see that there is its full service from its first up until its most recent. As you can see, it has very recently been serviced, where it had an engine oil and a microfilter change at 50,768. A very nice, clean and tidy, and with the rare extras that this vehicle has, including that superb X-Drive 4-wheel drive system and the Tanzanite metallic paint. The paint option alone is about £650, so it's definitely one to go for. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful, but most of all we hope to see you very soon here at Your Next Car. Thank you very much for watching, take care, all the best and goodbye.